As we know that pictorial representation is better than the algorithm or any description. So today I will demonstrate about a diagram creation tool which is freely available through the Google. So for that you go to the any website and search for diagram.net and it will navigate here. You can start and it will ask you, it will navigate to the diagram application, online application, and here it will ask you the storage location, so you can store your diagrams in Google Drive or OneDrive if you have, or any other devices, or maybe some other location also it will give you, like say for example GitHub. So I am selecting Google Drive. For that it will ask you to the authorization. You just say authorize and then it will ask you the permission. So I'm giving my permission for Google account. Allow it, allow the files management. So ultimately I'm allowing. After that it will give you that whether you want to create the new one or existing one. So I am creating first time, so I will select create new diagram. So you have some template, default template given for you in the beginning. So let's select blank and we will see how to, first we will see how to draw a simple flowchart diagram. So I selected blank diagram, create, and here it is asking whether you want to choose the root folder or you want to choose a particular folder in your Google Drive. So actually I want to select, I want to select some a specific folder in Google Drive. So for that what I will do, first I will go to my Google Gmail Google Drive. So let's see, you can go, before that you have to log into the Google account. Now I will go to the Google Drive and here see, this is my root folder. My drive is nothing but the root folder. Under that I have already one folder KLEF. Under that I want to see, I want to select data structure DS. In that I want to create one folder and that folder name maybe I will keep DS diagrams or diagrams. Okay, so this folder I will select there to keep all the diagram which I'm creating in the diagram.net. So let's come back to the diagram.net. Now here you select no pick folder. So I want to pick a particular folder in my Google Drive. So now this is your Google Drive folder. So go to the KLEF. Inside KLEF I want to select DS. Inside DS I want to select the diagram. So you don't open that folder, just select that and you click the select button. So I selected, so this folder will be taken as the location where your diagram will be saved. So it will take a little bit in the beginning time. Now see, this is your diagram template workspace where you want to do all you want to create the diagrams. So see, the right side panel, it is related to the diagram formats and all things. You can increase the, you can check, you can make the distance of the grid and all, or you can have the different options to select or edit data or edit diagrams and all, or portrait or landscape and all you can change. So this is all about the, here also you can change the color also. And left side panel, it is giving you the symbols which you want to use. So default, some of the default symbols are available, and if you want to use some advanced more shapes which is not available, so you can create it here and you can check, you can click the checkbox so that that will be activated here. Okay, that will come later Now we have to create a simple flowchart, so that is already available here in flowchart. In general section, you can general section, all the basic shapes are available, which we will use to create the flowchart, simple flowchart. So say for example I want to draw a flowchart for checking a number which is even or odd. So for that what we need ellipses first. So put the ellipses on the top and make it as a start. Okay, start. Then next we want to read the value, so we will use the parallelogram and keep in the next. Okay, and try to align these. If you can see that if you drag it by clicking that shape, try to see this line is coming. This line is saying that these two symbols are aligned together in the same alignment. Okay, this will have some advantage, I'll tell you. Suppose you want to connect these two shapes, so you just go to the ellipses, and once you go to the ellipses, four directional symbol faded symbols are visible. So if you click this arrow mark, it will automatically connect to the parallelogram, see. And if you drag here and there, so this is already connected. Okay, suppose this I have not done, suppose I have not aligned, suppose I have not aligned properly. So what I will do, I will go here and you drag it, so you keep it here. These are not connected. See, if you drag here and there, that arrow is not connected, though it is attached, but it is not connected together. So this is the advantage of having that. Or another way, see, this aligned is here. Suppose I have not kept aligned and I want to click it here. So see how it is connected. It is not connected through the straight line. Still it is connected. Okay, so that's why I ask you. So you keep it in the aligned way. And now here I want to give the statement that read the value of n. Okay, increase the size a little bit. Okay, now reading is done. Next I want to use the diamond symbol for decision making. So what I will do, I will just click it and it will come here. Whether you drag or click, it will be working same. So first increase the size a little bit, and same you do, see, aligned. Now what I will do, I will go to the parallelogram and I'll click. Now it is connected, see, connected. No, you drag here and there, it will be connected. Now here you do, what I will do, n reminder 2 equal 0 question mark. This means it is checking whether the n is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, now this will have the two outcomes. One, so I will use the input output box, that is parallelogram. So let's see, I'll drag it here and again aligned, and I will write print even. Okay, and one box. So here I want to use, so see it connected, and I want to give some label on the arrow mark. So what I will do, in the middle of the arrow marks I will double click, and so that you can give the text. So what I will do, I will write true. If it is true, so I want this to be, sorry, let me delete it. So true. If it is true, then print even. Okay, next, let me see. So now, so print this, another box is print odd. Okay, now same thing, you click it and it got connected. Now you select the arrow first and double click. Now you can write the false label. So see, I have given the label to this arrow. First arrow as true and second arrow is false. And now these two boxes has to be connected to another ellipsis to be stop, that has to be stopped. So I will give the label first, double click the symbol and you can write the statement stop, stop. Okay, now it is aligned properly, so you just click it and it will connect. Similarly you can connect this. So once a green symbol comes, it means it will be connected. You just drag it here. Now okay, so this is how one simple flowchart diagram is ready. Okay, so if you see, it is auto saved each time. If you go to your Google Drive same folder, you will be able to see the diagram. See, this diagram is there. This diagram is there. Now if you want to rename, go back to the diagram.net. If you want to rename, so you can rename like odd even. I want to write like even odd, even odd, rename it. So see this even odd renamed. Okay, the diagram name is renamed. Now go back to your Google Drive and this diagram is named, so you can have the simple. Okay, if you want to export, so you have an option called export as PNG or JPG or PDF or something. You can export, say for example I want to export at JPG, so it is telling you want to export as the zoom 100%, so 100%, so it will be zoomed. Or if you want to crop, or you want to only export the selected portions and all, you can do. Now I will export where you want to keep that diagram. So if you want to keep in your system, so directly click the download. Otherwise if you want to store in some location, say for example Google Drive or OneDrive, Dropbox or GitHub, etc, etc, so you can select and do it. Now I want to download, so it will be, so do you want to allow the downloads to on this? Allow it, no problem. So see, it is downloaded. See, the diagram is here. Yes, hope you have understood how to use. This is the way to draw any flowchart, and easy. Yes, it is freely available in easy, and if you want to, and this one, once the diagram is exported as JPG, and wherever you want to use, you can use in your project or any other documents or any website, etc. Hope you have understood well. And there's other options also you can explore. There's a class diagrams, use case diagrams, UML diagrams are also there available, or you can have different website design diagrams are also available here, so you can explore. Okay, thank you for watching this video.